As mentioned in a previous video, smoke detectors have a lifespan of approximately 10 years. It's important to know how to remove your smoke detector to replace it. You turn it counterclockwise, it should pop and come down. All smoke detectors have batteries in them. Smoke detectors are also hardwired. They come off your commercial power from your house. When you need to replace these, you go to your electrical panel, turn off the power, the breaker that says smoke detectors. You come in the back, you squeeze the two tabs, and you simply pull. These smoke detectors, after their lifespan, can safely be thrown away in your trash. If your wiring harness does not match your new detectors, while the power is turned off, you can unwire the tail and put your new tail on, and reinstall as directions. If you have any questions, please contact your local fire department. Thank you.